Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey guys, welcome to our podcast. So today we would like to discuss the podcast about the title is Sharing Overseas Program. So with me, Azam Albani, I'm become the host in this podcast. Okay, for you please.
Sup folks, my name is Matthias. I'm from the BTS or the Black Traveler Society from the USA.
And then you.
Okay, so I am Muhammad Damar Panja. Many people call me Damar, and I'm from Indonesia.
Okay, so start from you, Matthew. Now, where you live?
Actually, I live in the USA, especially in the Texas, in San Antonio.
Yes.
But now I'm is traveling around the world, and I stop in Indonesia, especially in Jonggol. But
I invite you to doing
Yes.
podcast, right?
and Azam invite me to doing this podcast.
Yeah. In Texas, so many like cowboy. Right?
Yes, Texas is so many cowboy, but there is actually Texas is the most safe territory in US. In Texas, you're not allowed to gambling. Well, in others territory, you are allowed to do it. And actually, Texas is the one of the most Islamic territory in US.
Okay. Then the final gas gas station.
Gas station,
Yes,
yes.
the viral.
If you know the viral gas station,
Yeah.
it's the biggest gas station in the world.
You know?
Yeah,
No,
I
bro.
know. Yes. Yeah, actually, you can watch my YouTube channel if you wanna see the
Yes.
review of the gas station.
So the channel in here.
In here,
What?
the channel,
Channel?
the channel is Matthias Gacor.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, later you can see Guntur Traveler.
yes.
Okay. So how about you?
Okay, I'm now living in LA, aka Lenteng Agung. Okay, it's
Yeah.
with his KRL. Okay, and in that place is a very many shop, or Indonesian people call it pasar. Okay, Partage. Okay, that's all.
Okay,
Lenteng Agung.
maybe I want to ask you again about your study.
Oh, my study.
I hear you study. You born in Texas, right?
Yes.
And you doing study abroad or what?
No, actually, I born in Texas because my mother is original USA, but my father is from Pinang Ranti. You know, they meet in Terminal Pinang Ranti, bro. Like when my mother comes to Indonesia to do some traveling, and they were meet in the Terminal Pinang Ranti.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
mix
Yeah, I'm mixed
USA with.
with Indonesia. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
How about you?
about my study.
Yeah.
I'm not yet go to outside of this country, but now I'm studying IBM boarding school, the legal school, yeah, international school, yeah.
Okay. That's very good.
Very good, famous of its IT and Dinia and English learning, not about maths or other. It's just side learning in IDN boarding school.
Yes, I heard that IDEN is a vocational high school, right?
Yes, vocational high
That
school.
focus on one material.
Yes,
One major.
now I'm focus on TKG networking major, and but in outside of TKG there's RPL and DKV that's focus in design and making software or like website and application.
Okay. Maybe do you have plan for like study abroad?
Study abroad many man. My main or my top in my top of my list is there is Harvard University. That's our very famous of his community. They of the number one the university in the world, and second is Oxford. The same not far away from Harvard. So that's all my abroad plan.
Okay. How about you?
Actually,
Do you have
no, I'm actually is studying.
plan?
You know,
Yeah.
I use some brand. This is from Colorado State University.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm the student of Colorado State University or CSU in Colorado State. Actually, it's far away from my home, but it's for education, and live in dorm in there. I have some friend too. He's from Nigeria, and together we both love traveling, and that's why I built community BTS,
That's
the
what
Black Traveler Society.
That's
So what major you take on that university?
Actually, I take some engineering.
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 Okay. So you the
I'm,
plan of
my plan, my major plan.
Yeah, major plan.
I want to following my father major is there is computer science and data science is like focus on AI and others because of
Okay.
improving the people that use AI. So I want to make an AI too.
Okay.
AI.
Real nih.
What AI, bro? Like Grok. You know,
No,
Grok.
yeah, I know.
Grok
That's,
AI. That
that's
can
good,
do,
very good.
Can do something.
Yes, can do something that
Ah.
many AI cannot do.
Yeah.
GPT, yeah, that's
GPT.
something like it.
Okay. So I hear in other country there is so many program, right?
Yes.
So like volunteer, you want to follow like volunteer or
Uh,
backpacker?
maybe I'll be follow the backpacker. I think.
Backpacker.
Yeah.
What country that you want to go?
I want to go especially to Japan because Japan is one of the famous country that famous with the automotive. They have JDM.
Oh yeah.
They have good motorcycles. They have good cars. They had a good coffee, of course,
Oh, yeah.
and they have a lot of beautiful girls.
Oh.
Yes,
Guntur, Masya Allah.
maybe.
Japanese girl.
Yeah, many.
So many, yeah.
Yes. Maybe later I will try to invite you. I will go to Japan maybe like 3 months again with my friend.
How about education in Japan?
Education for me it's maybe very good because I heard a lot of famous university, you know,
Oh, yeah.
like the Tokyo University or like the Waseda if you wanna go to private school or the Keio. I think that's they have their own culture on it,
Okay.
and I cannot tell who is the best others because of I'm not doing study in Japan.
Hey Guntur, I wanna ask something.
Yes.
Right now, Japan is famous because of the Indian people come to
Oh,
Japan.
yeah, like in-
lack of mobility.
Yes.
What's your opinion?
Actually, the Indian people is little bit the maybe I will say effort to the Indian people,
Yes.
Yes.
because of you know that the Japan is very chill, it's very relaxed. But when the Indian people came, it's like happen like riot is happen in Japan, bro. Like when you go to some train, maybe you will feel the relaxed, the chill environment. But when there is some Indian people,
Yeah, you know lah.
you know lah. Just say effort to the Indian
Yeah,
people, bro.
And the rubbish
And
is
the rubbish is oh my god, it's very bad.
Japan also have many film, right?
Yes.
yes.
Japan.
Like Train to Busan.
Yeah.
Then what film again?
Uh,
That you
Genji.
watch? Oh, Genji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe Kamen Rider.
Yeah.
Ultraman.
The culture.
The
right?
culture, yeah.
It's very good. Then what country again? What country that you want to go?
Maybe the other country is the North Korea.
North Korea.
Yeah, because
Why?
of I'm the
North
bestie
Korea?
of Kim Jong Un. Yes. Actually, I have some connection with Kim Jong Un, bro.
Oh,
Yes. So
that's your uncle.
no, that's my. You know, my
Sibling,
mother
sibling.
have a sister,
Yeah.
and the sister is one of the Kim Jong Un like ministry.
Oh, not girlfriend.
No,
Topik.
Okay. Okay. Now I want to ask you about the program in other country that you want to follow.
Backpacker, yeah. I actually already follow backpacker, 3 country, Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. And it's begin from when my school is asking for people who want to backpacker. And then I followed it and alhamdulillah I get accepted. From Singapore, we not just having fun in there, but we also get many mission from our teacher. Like when I come to Singapore, I need to find for people in there and making a podcast, simple podcast like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, like asking his name and what culture that in Singapore have. And actually, when I'm with my friend searching for a foreigner in there, and I get one person that he from Nigeria, maybe your friend, I think.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Nigeria people, and I'm with my friend podcast him with Laudi. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the most country that have good education from you
Still
from
USA,
your
bro.
first
USA.
USA.
Still USA because
Why?
I'm studying in USA. Colorado State University, bro.
and then the second country
The second country, maybe let's say Singapore,
yes because
because
curriculum.
the curriculum is good, and actually Singapore is only a little country, but they have a lot of good university, good facility.
Yes.
Maybe the third, let's say Japan.
Right.
It's fair to be not
Yeah.
Japan. The fourth,
Top five.
Five.
The fourth, for me, South Korea.
South Korea.
South Korea.
Because
Because they have good culture, good universities. If you want to learn about technology or if you want to learn about Korean culture, it's very good. And
the last?
I will say UK
what reason we choose UK?
because it's a unique. UK have unique government system,
Okay.
and there is a lot of high ranking university in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how about you? Top five
Uh,
best education?
The first one, as Guntur say,
Not Indonesia.
yeah, Indonesia top.
Indonesia,
Yeah.
bro,
Why?
it's a good place, bro.
It's a good place. but-
UI, you know UI?
Top
UI.
top top in world.
Top 200.
200 in world. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my
So the
God.
first,
First,
US.
yes, yeah. Fair to be enough. We see like Harvard and others university that are attending many high people right now, like Elon Musk and other. And then second, I think
Top five.
Top five,
five,
bro.
ya.
German.
Not Saudi Arabia.
Germany.
Ya, Saudi Arabia, masya Allah ya. Top zero.
Hey, I want to take study.
Yeah,
at
if
Saudi
you want to
Arabia,
if
bro.
you want to choose religion, you can go to Saudi.
Oh,
to
yeah.
Saudi.
Yeah,
Gimana?
the special one, the special
Special one.
one.
Okay.
Continue. About the second country that
Second, I
have good
think
education.
Germany.
Germany is famous of the
But the
technology.
environment,
Yes.
bro.
The environment. Yeah.
In German is very dangerous, right?
Yes. A lot of racist people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Offset.
Yeah.
Big topic.
What did you?
Big topic.
No, I don't know this.
If you want to learn in German, just focus on
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe Singapore. Like
Singapore.
you say, is like a small country but have a big university like NUS. That's one of my target too. And then the third one is China.
Oh, China.
China.
You love Doyin people?
Yeah.
Oh my
yeah. In there they have big spirit.
Oh,
yeah.
big
Spirit.
Yeah.
I know
big
that
spirit.
China is the one of the
China's
hardest
people.
exam in the world.
Yeah. Maybe because of that, many people.
People in
is
China is very productive.
Yeah, very productive,
Yes.
very smart. Yeah. And then maybe if you
Yeah.
come to China, you will become smart than in Indonesia.
Yes. Technology also.
Technology.
Now China have
Wow.
many cars
Oh,
Yeah.
electric car.
Electric
import
car,
to
import.
other countries.
Oh,
Like in
yeah.
Indonesia now
There's
so
so
many
many
Cherry and then
BOM.
UM,
Oh,
Wuling,
Wuling.
yes,
The handphone and the other
Yes,
is
the handphone, the Xiaomi
Technology is
is lot.
very good. And very cheap yeah,
very cheap. Yeah.
for Indonesian people. Yeah.
Back to topic.
Yeah.
These two.
The third or fourth?
Third.
Third.
Third. Four.
No, the third.
Fourth.
Four.
Four.
Yes.
I think is Japan.
Japan.
Japan. Tokyo University and
Yeah.
other is.
What the reason you choose Japan?
Maybe because of
Become best.
how we learn in there, and if we want to abroad, they give us like 1 hour to study in Japan. 1 hour, 1 semester, like
Yes,
1 semester to learn
okay.
Japan, and then you can get adaptation more fast in there, not like just focus on study. And the people in there are very good lah. Ya.
Oh,
Very good lah.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good lah ya.
Then the
Fifth,
last.
the five. Saudi Arabia, masya Allah.
Oh, Saudi Arabia,
I want to touch
Masya Allah.
education.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe Azam wanna be
You know,
chef.
Yeah, we like
Wim.
That's
you,
Islam.
Madinah.
you
Oh
study
my
but you
God.
get umroh, you get haji, but masya Allah.
Masya Allah.
Maybe you can be working.
Maybe Azam wanna be chef.
Sheikh,
Amin, amin.
Sheikh Azam
Amin,
Alban. Sheikh Azam Alban.
Sheikh Azam Al-Bani.
Sheikh Azam.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you want to give a story about your education? Like
Maybe
your friend?
okay. Maybe I will tell like some, maybe it's motivation.
Yeah.
This is the story behind of the BTS.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Black
BTS.
Travel
BTS.
Society.
Explain
The
us.
What is
BTS
BTS?
is the Black Traveler Society.
Okay.
So that's like a community. Actually,
You
I make it
Oh,
with my
you're the
dorm
founder.
friend.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
the founder.
you're the
That's
founder.
like community.
Community, like some traveling community. Actually, there is a lot of people from around the world, from Nigeria, from Indonesia. Maybe you know the Pacedes, if you know Pacedes.
yeah,
You know
Yeah,
Pacedes?
I think I have friend in there
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
His name is
Hey.
Destiana.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
oh yeah,
Cristiana.
I also
That's not remember,
like
bro.
familiar with the name.
Yeah, Destiana is famous in my
It's
country.
famous, bro.
Yes.
And a lot of people.
Top actress, right?
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
It's not only
Very big
people,
muscle, very big
but
muscle.
all of people. But why? But why I give the name Black Travelers?
Yeah.
Because it's I
Almost.
make it with my friend. Almost all the people it's from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
society.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
It's from the society. Even we ever travel with Snoop Dogg, bro.
Ooh.
The famous rappers in the USA.
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
So you
And
can sing
a little bit.
part of that.
Cannot sing it here. Copyright, bro. Copyright.
Copyright.
Yes. And then with the BTS, I have traveled a lot to a lot of countries, to Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, almost the Southeast Asia. I already came.
Okay. So
And maybe next time I will go to Europe.
the ghost from that community is what? Or like Pandawara, you know Pandawara? in
Yeah.
Oh
Indonesia?
yes, I heard about it.
Make it the environment
Clean.
be
Oh,
clean.
no.
No.
It's just like community that
Travel.
if you wanna traveling and you don't have friends, you can call your friends from the community.
Yes, I heard your name also. You viral in social media. right?
Yes.
That help people. And then, what the motivation you make that community, or before you have to join other community before you make this community?
Actually, I have joined some community. I forgot the name because it's happened a long time ago
Okay.
in some USA. And then they always accompany me when I wanna go to strolling around the USA, to the New
Yeah.
York or to the Atlanta to watching NBA.
Oh,
NBA.
But almost of the member it's a worker, bro.
okay.
And only some people that is student.
So after that, you.
I try to make the student version of that community.
Oh.
Like and me and my dorm friend build it and searching from others member.
And I heard also that in US the basketball is very good.
Oh yeah, I really like playing basketball.
Yes, I like it.
Masya
You also, right?
Yeah, too.
You joined DBL last time.
Oh yeah, in last year you watch
Oh, yeah, after
final
that,
MVP,
you-
final MVP.
Oh, you final
Yeah,
MVP.
final MVP.
Oh my god.
What school?
IDN.
Oh,
IDN.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, IDN.
IDN versus Jubilee.
Yeah, Jubilee.
So after being a finalist, you can get scholarship
Yes.
to go to other countries.
And maybe after this I want to go to Real Madrid. Yeah.
Oh, you wanna
basketball? Basketball.
Basketball, Real Madrid.
Basketball.
So you play.
You play
Yeah.
basketball.
I play in this NCAA, bro. You know
Oh.
the student basketball league in there.
Then you know Derek Michael?
No, I know. I ever match with him.
Oh.
He's in the Long Beach, like.
Yeah, in Long Beach.
Yeah.
That's from Indonesia also.
Oh yes,
From my country.
it's very good, bro. He can dunk like
Nah, yeah.
like that.
You never get posterized by
ever, almost,
Always,
the
always,
match.
always,
Maybe
always.
always.
Maybe always.
Yes,
Okay.
because my coach tell to guard him, and I cannot guard him, bro. Like hard.
So now, how many people that join into your community?
Maybe almost like 50 people.
50.
50 people.
50 students
Yes, around the USA.
around USL.
Yes, not only in the Colorado State.
Okay.
Not only.
So how about you? Did you ever join
No.
community?
I want to tell my study experience.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm following scooters, and that's one of my
Preparation.
preparation to go to abroad. Okay, so in the first year you should get IELTS.
Okay.
And before that you study about IELTS first with your teacher or mentor in the scooter course. And then the year 2 you need to prepare for SAT. And
What is SIT?
SIT like English but in Indonesian but in English examination, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and maths is very difficult because in IDN we focus on IT, not math. And I heard that SIT is one of the requirements to.
I don't know, bro. I'm USA people,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
No. You know that when my mom and my dad married,
Mate.
you know,
Your parents met in Indonesia, right?
but I'm USA people. My passport is USA, bro.
You born in Texas.
I born in Texas.
So you not using like SIT?
No. I'm native.
Oh, native.
Yeah.
Okay. For you, scooters is worth it or not?
I think worth it if you are serious. If you
Yeah.
are playing when the teacher
Okay.
is explaining and you are
How
playing.
many
under-
money that you spend?
much?
How much
Uh,
money?
Over $100,000.
Oh
Yes.
my God, it's
For
very
scooter.
expensive, bro.
Yes.
Oh my God. I rather buy a Harley
Yeah.
than join that course.
You already buy, right?
Yes.
You have a story I see. On the
Oh, you see
Instagram.
my Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Going to university ya? Oh, you join like motorcycle?
No. Almost of the motorcycle gang in USA is almost a gangster, bro.
Maybe you
I
can
just-
build a new community for
No.
motorcycle.
I just
Yeah,
like
you
want
have
to
a
ride.
community,
Yes.
BCIS, Black Community Society.
Ah.
Why almost black?
No, the
Yeah,
BRS, Black Riders
yeah.
Society.
Yes, before it's black and now black.
That
Impossible to be white.
impossible, bro.
Uncle Des.
Uncle
Uncle Des.
Yeah. Destiana, how?
Destiana.
Destiana.
He's the most popular motorcycle.
Yeah, Destiana is very popular. He make a film, get a motorcycle, cars.
Oh my God.
In US also there is many film.
A
Yeah.
lot of. There is some Harley film.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, if you know Ferrari versus Ford, it's
yeah.
very good. You
Riding.
must
Riding.
You can watch John Wick also.
John Wick one of my favorite movie
Ah.
right now.
It's good.
Okay, maybe can you tell me the facilities on your campus?
Campus. So is this some advertisement from my CSU,
Yes.
Colorado State University? If you
Colorado.
join in the CSU, you can get almost 100% scholarship. Not 100%, but almost.
90%.
For native color.
No, for native there is some scholarship, but if you from outside of the USA, you can get scholarship.
Abroad.
Full,
Abroad.
100%.
Almost. Maybe you just pay the dorm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And in CSU you have dorm. The dorm is different than others. The dorm is there is a type that I choose the 2 bed. It's a very good. You have a comfy bed. You get a cupboard. You get some bathroom inside of the
Inside of the
dorm, and then there is like 3 basketball field
on that campus.
on that campus. 3 basketball field.
Indoor, always indoor.
No, outdoor.
Outdoor.
Outdoor. You know, if like if you know Bali, some basketball in
Field and Bali.
yes in Kuta.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so now maybe the last question for you.
Yes.
How about the Islamic culture or US? So
Uh,
you is Islam. Okay?
I'm Muslim, bro. I'm
Now
Muslim.
you doing fasting.
Of course. Actually, Islam is minority in US, but you just feel free to do your prayers. Now in US, if you see in the social media, some Muslim community doing
It's viral, right?
yes, it's viral. The Muslim community doing taraweh in Times Square.
Oh yeah.
Imam, ya?
Yeah,
The good voice.
good voice.
Yeah.
I have a friend also. Name is Mustaqim.
Mustaqim.
Mustaqim. He's imam in my school in CSU actually.
Okay, maybe
Mustaqim ya? That's viral one ya?
Yes,
Yes.
Mustaqim.
it's viral.
It's a fire. That's my friend, sir. That's my friend.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So how about you in IDN?
Facilities.
Yes, in facility.
First you get Wi-Fi, but I don't know how fast.
Yes, look, you IDN
Hey,
China, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't know.
Yes, IDN.
You get the Wi-Fi up to 100 kbps.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay, and then for
And
dormitory.
in dormitory, we got dormitory too. We have a comfy bed and bathroom, and you get food and eat every day, 3 times in the day. Like when breakfast you get nugget, maybe sometimes. In evening you get chicken.
Okay, that's good, right?
That's good, very good. But sometimes, yeah, you know.
Okay. So with the curriculum in IDN,
Yes,
that's worth it.
yes, worth it. Very worth it.
Okay, guys.
Different IT.
If learn IT.
And English maksudnya.
Yeah.
Engineer.
Yeah, also that's
Yeah.
very important for you going to Jannah.
Jannah.
Paradise.
Paradise.
Paradise, ya.
Paradise.
Okay. Okay. So after doing study, when you want to doing internship, right?
Yes, internship for real.
Yes, you want to internship.
Of course, not of course, but uh, for uh, for internship, I want to outside my country, China, like maybe US, to continue my education.
Oh, yeah. You just contact me if you wanna go to
Yeah,
CSU.
I mean like if you want to
Contact
go,
me.
if I want to go Harvard, so I need to internship in company inside of Harvard.
Oh
So,
yeah.
The Harvard people know that that is company in there, and now there is me in there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good quality, ya.
Yeah,
IDN student, ya.
Idea student,
Insya Allah good quality. So you internship
Yes.
still about networking.
Yes. Yes. Maybe when I'm internship, I wanna learn about AI.
Oh, boleh. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to ask one again.
Yes.
Maybe for you, like now you take study at Colorado University, right?
Yes.
After that, you want to continue for working or what? You have plan to marry?
Actually,
Japan people,
now I'm
Yeah.
have a job as a barista, bro.
Oh.
Barista. But after graduate, maybe I will go to Meta.
Meta.
By Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
The coffee shop and US also.
In US also.
Yeah, for married.
And
Yeah.
maybe later lah. If I have a lot of money, after that married.
And find a perfect.
Yeah, and find a perfect
Because-
woman.
Yeah, in the US is or in Japan, ya? Many
I don't
people
know.
not get married.
Yes.
Yeah. So maybe for you,
Yeah.
plus you can give motivation for spirit to study.
Okay. To study, the first thing you need to do is pray to Allah.
Yes.
You are pray to Allah. Because if you are pray to Allah but you are not doing something, is same. Yeah.
Good motivation.
Good motivation.
Yeah.
And you need the spirit too to focus on your study and not get distracted by games or social media or others.
Yes.
Yes.
That's how now is so many distractions.
Yeah, so many distractions.
Okay.
Maybe I heard some Indonesian quotes, but I cannot. I will try to speak Indonesian. Okay. I get some quotes that like this. mencoba, jika kamu mencoba dan gagal, it's okay.
Ya.
Daripada kamu tidak mencobanya sama sekali. Ya,
Oh.
that's
Oke, oke.
Yeah.
Repeat
Oh.
in Indonesia say.
in Indonesian quotes
Ya.
is jika kamu gagal itu tidak masalah.
Oh, gitu.
Daripada kamu tidak mencoba sama sekali.
Okay.
Ya.
Okay, thank you for joining my podcast. Okay, maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we have many mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, baby.